This demonstration will not only illustrate FireIce's superior fire suppression capabilities, it will also show you its effectiveness in protecting exposures. The fire departments that we demonstrated for chose to utilize Class A foam as the extinguishing agent for comparison. The plywood backdrop on the left is coated with 6% Class A foam, and the prop on the right is coated with FireIce. Notice how the Class A foam on the prop to the left is beginning to break down even before ignition. The Class A foam is completely broken down and provides no protective barrier to the plywood prop. At the 1-minute mark of the burn, Class A foam is reapplied to the prop. Notice that even after reapplication, Class A foam breaks down. 1 minute and 30 seconds into the free burning stage, FireIce is being reapplied. It should be noted that during the preparation of the FireIce prop, that only two 2.5-gallon pressurized water cans were used to coat the plywood prop. For application of the Class A foam, utilized a 1 3/4-inch hose line. Here, a third application of Class A foam is applied to the plywood to provide exposure protection. Almost immediately after reapplication, Class A foam begins to break down and provides no exposure protection. This helmet cam view gives a better view of the FireIce prop, and you can see that the prop is maintaining its integrity. In the background, you can see the beginning of extinguishment of the Class A foam prop, using 6% Class A foam as a suppression agent. FireIce is applied for a third time to protect the prop. The white smoke to the left of the shot is the 6% Class A foam prop being extinguished. A closer look at the FireIce prop shows the prop has maintained its integrity. The Class A prop has lost its integrity and continues to burn. The total time for extinguishment of the Class A prop fire with 6% Class A foam is 32 seconds. Extinguishment commences on the FireIce prop. Look how quickly FireIce knocks down the fire with no reignition. Extinguishment is complete. The Class A prop fire has rekindled and the plywood prop is extremely compromised. The Class A prop fire is now being fully extinguished with FireIce, and all smoldering material is extinguished, including the plywood backdrop. Notice how FireIce adheres to the surface of the plywood backdrop. FireIce penetrates the thermal layers and adheres to the burning material and suffocates the burning fuel from its oxygen and cools the heat source, thus breaking the fire triangle on two sides. The FireIce prop's integrity is completely intact and has little to no heat transfer to the back side of the prop. Extinguishment with FireIce took 16 seconds with no rekindles. Class A foam's extinguishment time was greater than 30 seconds with a rekindle of the fire. The question is, why are you still using Class A foam? Add FireIce to your arsenal today. Visit us on the web at FireIce.com.